If you feel like you are always broke, this video is for you. Because the truth is, it's not your salary. It's your habits. Here are 5 habits that are secretly keeping you broke. Number 1. You spend before you save. Most people get paid and instantly start spending. Pay yourself first. Number 2. You waste money on small things. Coffee, subscriptions, random online shopping. It doesn't feel like much, but it adds up fast. Number 3. You don't track your money. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll always feel broke. Number 4. You avoid learning about money. Most people never learn how money actually works, and that keeps them stuck. Number 5. You wait for the right time. The truth is, there is no perfect time. You either start now or stay broke. So if you are serious about changing your life, fix these habits starting today. And if you want more real content like this, hit subscribe, because I post videos that actually help you level up.